Today I am talking a Samsung Galaxy S21 full important features and specification. So let's start the video. This phone display size 6.2-inch, ROM 60 GB and memory 25 GB to 1 TB. Weight this phone 190 gram. OS run Android 10. You are given this phone camera quad camera setup 48 MP plus 80 MP plus 80 MP plus 60 MP camera other features LED flash, panorama, HDR, autofocus, AI camera, video recording 8K 40 fps and selfie camera 48 MP, front camera video record 2K 30 fps, battery non-removable 50,000 1050 mAh battery and fast charging support this phone and processor Snapdragon 865. This video I discuss Samsung Galaxy S25 important specification and feature. This video you like, share and this channel subscribe.